I have a little parent tip
Okay.
if we're ready for that.
Let's do it.
Okay. Our board of directors at the museum recently went through a strategic planning process and adjusted our direction, our mission, ever so slightly to lean into helping children develop creative problem-solving skills. I was excited they went in that direction, even changing our mission statement, like I said, to read that at the Children's Museum, we create innovative learning experiences in our museum and throughout the community that equip and inspire all children to become creative problem solvers. Not only will that make them better students, it will make them better at most everything they do, including work one day, and solving problems independently is another one of those factors that help children be school ready that we've talked a lot about. And I have two things that can really help. Choices and problem solving. First, build the habit of providing safe, age-appropriate choices. I've talked before about giving children choices, and that's because it's such a great way to encourage their development. The other thing it does is add to the language-rich environment we've talked about before. Just make sure you're happy with whatever option your child selects, from which, like vegetable for lunch or which shoe to put on first. So drawing their attention to choices engages their minds and helps them begin to build the pathways in their brains that will one day help them make bigger decisions. Second, promote problem solving. That is what children's museums are all about, and as our exhibits are designed specifically to encourage children to figure stuff out. For example, I was at an event last week with our popular bottle launcher. The children had to figure out how to put the bottle into the mechanism, crank the pistons, and then push the release to get what we call in the exhibit business the payoff, which was a loud blast and a bottle going all the way to the ceiling. So it was actually
always fun.
It was a really big payoff, as we say. I was intrigued by the wide range I saw in parental involvement. A few parents would just put the bottle in for the child, essentially modeling. But most parents use the opportunity to ask their child how they thought it should go in, which was even better. And some went all the way to explain to their child when the child would try to do it, now why do you think it should go that way? Which way, okay, it's not fitting. What way do you think it might work?
Yeah.
And so really doing that. And what was super cool was when parents would do that, other parents would see it and they'd start doing it with their child. And it just reminded me that it's a habit we build with our children. But that's how we help support and sort of scaffold their development and creative problem solving.